Hello again, Steve VK2UD, once again hiding out of the shot. Let's face it, you don't want to see my ugly mug. This is another unboxing. This one is a PWM solar controller that I got quite cheaply from 4-wheel drive Supa Centa. What is in it? Well, not much. A solar controller, a destruction manual, which will tell you where everything is meant to be hooked up, and a pair of Anderson plugs. I was not expecting the Anderson plugs. I thought for a fairly cheap controller you would get pretty well the controller and not much else. So, plastic housing, LCD display, couple of USB outputs, the assorted places you plug your wiring into. Tells you where they're supposed to be, what they're supposed to do. I guess the Anderson plugs are so when you supply your own leads, you can connect them straight up to a panel or something like that. So, not much else to tell you about this one. The reason I bought this is anybody who saw my solar panel video recently would know I bought that without a controller. Because in my camper trailer I have a red arc DC-DC charger which has an MPPT controller in it. So they should only need to ever plug those panels into that. But if I decide to go charge my car or something like that, then it has no regulated method. So I thought, have a little regulator like this, plug that in line with those nice new panels, and Bob's your auntie's living boyfriend. This will get a review further down the track once I've made up the leads and give it a run. So thanks for watching. Cheers.